I see you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a hair review on some beauty supply store hair girl. And can you see it? $22.99, bitch. Let me tell you, Kima Master, top grade premium fiber. It is heat sensitive. You can use it up to up to 350 degrees. The pack did come with a 24, 26, and 228. I got it in color 1B. It does come with bangs, pre-cut bangs, and a little mini closure, which it'll be in the video somewhere. This is $22 hair. It says tangle free, but it does tangle a little bit, but you see I'm running my fingers straight through the hair. Straight through, no tangles, no snags. I've had this hair for probably a month and some change, and I've worn it numerous times. When I say numerous, it does shed a little bit. Like last time I took it off, kind of just threw it over, just throw it to the side, make it do what it do. And when I combed it just now, this is the shedding that I got from it, which isn't too bad. It's not too bad. But some synthetic hair, $22 hair. This all the shedding I got, boo. That's it. Don't mind my nails. They need to be done. Jason don't work till Wednesday. But this is all the shedding I got out of it from today. I did use the closure at the top, the pre-cut bangs. I used that whole thing of the pre-cut bangs. I used both 28s, the 26, and this is what I have left of the 24. Not much, but I could have put it in there, but for what? It was on $22, just in case you need some more for my next week. I would recommend this hair. It comes in other colors, styles, lengths. It comes shorter. The shorter it is, the cheaper it is. With this wig, I did do the quick weave method. With the cap that I got, the cap was way too small. First off, the cap was way too small, but it was the only one that I had, so I made it work. Cap starts all the way back there. Don't tell nobody. Don't tell nobody, okay? It definitely is heat sensitive. Let me tell you. I got a, whatever iron this is, flat iron. Oh shit. Whatever flat iron this is, goes up to like 400 degrees. Didn't know it was all the way up. And I did burn the bang a little bit. I don't know if it'll catch on camera if I burned it that bad, but I did burn the bang a little bit, so it did thin out, and it did make this part like super straight, and it won't curl. But you can't tell. You wouldn't tell if I didn't tell you. But overall, I like the hair. I will definitely be purchasing this hair again. Again, like I said, I did get it from my local beauty supply store. I don't know what other beauty supply store will have it, or if it's online. If it is, I will definitely leave a link to it in the bottom if I see it somewhere else. If not, yeah, that's all for this video. the details and shit for my makeup today, all my products and stuff. I may post a video on how I did my makeup today. If not, it will be on my Instagram. Please, please, please follow, subscribe, like, comment, DM. Okay, don't DM me because I ain't. Follow, comment, subscribe, like, all of that on my social media. You know, all that's in the description. Thank you for watching, guys.
Imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves. So then, why? Imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves. Calico.